Page 502, section 7.5, second to the last section of the chapter. We are going to calculate the perimeter of each shape. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. That's not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shape 2 has 8. Start looking for a pattern. Shape 1 has 4. Shape 2 has 8. Shape 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Do you see the pattern yet? Shape 3 has 12. Draw and label the next 3 shapes. So shape 4. Shape 1 had 1 on the bottom. Shape 2 had 2 on the bottom. Shape 3 had 3 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for shape 4. And 3 there, 2 there, 1 there. What's the perimeter going to be? Once again, how did we get from 1 to 4, 2 to 8, 3 to 12? 4 is 16. Count them up if you don't believe me. You will get 16. Shape 5. We are going to have 5 on the bottom. 2, 3, 4. That's 4, 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1. Shape 5. The perimeter of shape 5 will be 20. Right. Okay. What's going to be the perimeter of shape 6? What do we multiply all of these by? 24. That's going to be the answer. Okay, now we're just putting our answers in the chart. So shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So shape number 125 has a perimeter of 500. For question number 7, we're going to graph our table. So remember back here on page 502 where we had our table? This is X, and this is Y. So going back, shape number 1 has a perimeter of 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, down the runway first, and then up. It helps you to draw the lines, feel free. 5 goes up to 20, 6 is 24, and then 7 is 28. Should get a straight line. Does it make sense to connect the points? Why or why not? So can we have, this time it wouldn't. We don't want to connect these because we're not going to have shape number 2.5. We have shape 2, we have shape 3. We don't have shape number 2.5. But if we did, we could figure out the perimeter, but we're not. Okay, so that's problem I'm recording this, so don't get up and leave. Not like anyone would do that, would they? All right. How is the cost related to the number of items? Multiplied times 6. Define a variable. Remember how I keep saying don't use the X symbol for multiplication anymore? Then I go like that. Multiplied by 6. Define a variable for the number of items. I always like X. X equals number of items. Write an algebraic expression to represent the cost. We need our variable. We said that's going to be X. We are multiplying that times 6. 6X equals cost. That's it. That's all we got to do. On the next page, then we take our answers and we graph it. 1, 6. Make sure you label your X and Y axis. This is items. This is cost. Notice that the intervals are different. 2, 4, 10, 20. So if we had one item, here's 1, that costs 6. Carnegie does not give us a lot of room to do graphs. 8 was 48. 8. That's where it might help to draw the lines up. 48 goes there. 16 was 96. Put down 16. And there's 95 right here, 96 right there. And 5 is 30. 5 right here, and 30. Right? Once again, we would not connect. We don't need to connect the dots on this because it doesn't make sense. Each one, because we don't have half an item. Problem 3 is the last one I would like you to do. So complete all of problem 3 and then check your answers in the textbook. Almost finished. One more section after this.